Hello, hello, hello! Ito pala ang aking journey sa pagsakay ng LRT2 to MRT. Ayan, no? Ayan ang inakyat ko going to LRT2. Medyo nakakapagod, walang elevator. And, syempre, i-check muna yung bag mo pagpasok mo ng LRT2. This is LRT2 in VMAPA, Santa Mesa. Ayan ang beep card na nagamit ko. Kasi ginagamit talaga namin yan ng anak ko pag punta siya ng school. Ayan. Ilang tao kasi it's 11. Here I am at VMAP. It's VMAP. So, waiting sa train na galing Legarda. Then, pupuntang Cubao. Yung sa first, what do you call that, area is mga senior lang doon at saka mga PW. Okay? Wait the train coming doon. And then, we will go there. So, we're here at VMAPA station. Right? And then, ayan na yung train ko.
Ya nanti kita mau menguas konsekuensinya kita
Arriving at Betty Golden Water Station. Operating na sa Betty Golden Water Station.
Nandito na ako sa Cubao. I'm gonna cut this one. I'm gonna make this in 3 parts para hindi kayo mainip. Okay? Here's my part. Kala ko din ako makakalabas. This is Cubao. Then, walk ako going to Gateway. Watch the part 2, guys, okay? Ready to walk na tayo. I'm gonna show you the Gateway. What is this? Ito yung connection from LRT to MRT. So, you're gonna pass by Gateway. Okay? Look at that one. It's beautiful. We're gonna go down. Then, we're gonna pass Araneta Coliseum. English. Okay. This is it. This is English. So parang kaya siya. Yeah. Oh, first time. The bridge. What is this? Ah, yeah. This is formal plaza. Yan eh, connection. MRT. Ito. Farmers Plaza na. Oh, parang social na siya. Naligaw ang atin yun. Ito na talaga yung Farmers Plaza. Naligaw lang ako kung nasa ng MRT. Yeah, naligaw ako kung saan ng MRT. Oh my God. I think dito na. Siguro ito yung MRT. Check natin. Ito. Yeah. Ito na ang MRT. Walkway to MRT. Naligaw ang lola niya. Na-amaze kasi ako dun sa bagong Gateway Mall extension ng Gateway. Kaya medyo nalito ako, but I think I'm right na. Ay, no, thank you. I think ito na talaga yung MRT. Okay? Guys, pag hindi ka na talaga nakakalabas na, hindi mo na talaga alam. I think this is the MRT. Yes, I think this is it. Oh, yan na nga yan. Go down there. And then, ito na. We're going out na to MRT. Yung exit is at the other side. Yun. MRT mo. Eto na. I'm gonna pay lang. Wala akong card dito eh. Magkahiwalay pa ata yung VIP card. I don't know. Check ko lang. Card, excuse me, yung VIP card ba sa LRT pwedeng gamitin dito? Ayun! Thank you! Pwede na. Thank you! Ayun, pwede na palang gamitin yung VIP card ko anywhere. MRT 1, I know, LRT 1, LRT 2, and MRT. O, diba? So, pasok lang ako. I'll get my VIP card. Use my VIP card. Then, kailangan kong ilabas. Then, let's see kung gagana. Yun, sila 41 pesos. Okay, North Ave. Going there, up. North Ave. Thank you sa gift card ko. Nagamit ko siya sa LRT 1, LRT 2, and then here at MRT. O, diba? Okay na. Please, one time na lang. Kala ko bibili pa ako ng card for MRT. Thank you, DOTR. Tama ba? Bye. Ay, parang ang dilim. Ang dilim ng MRT. Not like LRT 2. Maliwanag. Ay, yung gateway. Show me the gateway. That's the gateway. Yung kaninang dinaanan ko na medyo naligaw ako. Okay. Ito na yung train. Hindi na see you guys later Medyo madaming tao dito. Bye.
Next station, Yerbeco.
Arriving North Avenue Station, last station na po. Okay, double check ang mga personal yung gamit. Pwede ng beef card na gagamitin nyo paglabas ng stasyon. At salamat sa patuloy na pagtangkilik sa DOTI MRTP. At salamat.
₱25. Yeah, connection ng MRT, the last station, North Ave, then punta na tayo ng Trinom. Wait lang, dami tao, later na ako.